Alright, so the project for right now, it's not today, but just ongoing. Here's the grill. What is that? Blackstone flat grill. I am designing as I go a artificial rock platform for it to go on the patio that I built on the previous videos. I think that'll work. And I'll do the rocks on the bottom, back, and then this will be a foot thick, give it some substance. Otherwise it would look pretty tiny sitting on that 8x8 patio in front of a great big boulder fire pit. Alright, I'll keep going. The front I'm going to do half log siding for the door to get at the propane tank. And then I'll stain that to match the house. And if my neighbor will sell me a nice chunk of, I think it's a 2x12 pine, and I'll cap the top with that, make that match too. Otherwise I'll have to go to the mill and get one. Alright, just made a little progress. It didn't take too long. Getting hot out though, really muggy. A little sweatshop out here. I'd have to go to the AC. I'm not going to screw that on yet because I think I got more work to do. I was building the backside and then figuring out tying all that in down there. Oopsies. I gotta go find some more screws. surprised I'm not bleeding yet. This stuff's pretty sharp. There, all framed up. Maybe a few more supports. I just got to figure out how to do the door yet. I got to get some lumber, and then what I'm going to put on the top there, that's fire resistant. There it is, mocked up with the grill on it, but a little more planning. Alright, so there's the process of putting the lath on. I'll just keep going. Backside, that. What I'm going to end up doing for the top and for where the grill is going to sit, this little guy, I'm going to do a poured concrete countertop. thought that hole was just a little bit too big in here, so I put just a nut or washer, whatever you got, and that'll hold it a little better instead of that rivet pulling through. So I used a Craig jig, but don't use Craig screws on treated lumber for obvious reasons. They will corrode away in a couple years and fall apart. So this is going to be the face of this. And I'll have a door so you can access your propane tank. It'll be a hole. I'll do a concrete countertop. I'll have a hole in it so the hose can go through there, open the door. Alright, and that's what one of the doors will look like. There's the other one upside down. We'll just let that dry, sand it, round it over a little bit. And then it'll be a door in here. I just got to trim it up a little bit. There'll be two of them. Oop. Alright, here's the doors on, stained. And the top, the mantle, whatever you want to call it. I went to my local lumber yard. Picked me up a nice big piece of rough cut. Beautiful. Give it a nice little rustic and massive look. Alright, there's my form for where the grill's going to sit on. And put a little 4-inch plug so the regulator from the grill. This guy will fit through it. And there we go, premium concrete countertop mix. It's got some kind of special fibers and stuff in it just made for countertops. Well, as this slab sits, and I don't know, maybe I mixed it a little too wet or not, but a lot of water came up to the top as it sat, just more and more, so I ended up sponging it off. That seemed to speed things up a little bit. I don't see any other way to mix it. You know, it's just beyond the point of dry. But then once it sat here, boy, it firmed up pretty quick, but all the water just kind of creamed right to the top. So it's coming along. All right, bringing the grill in today. You're dropping it off. All right, there's the grill in place. And left is that, the boulders. It's in place. There's the hole for the hose. The tank area, storage.